Good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. Today we will be working on pebble paperweight, and the material required for that is a pebble, brushes, acrylic color, water. I'm just tracing here the paper size so that I can just make a sketch or a layout first in the beginnings where to place which portion, and once it is ready I'm going to transfer the same kind of drawing on the pebble. It gives a very nice idea or the angle from where you're going to draw. Just mark the colors in the sheet. Mark it on the sheet before doing it on the pebble itself. Just try to fill all the gaps in between very closely the color, and make sure it is thicker in consistency. If you're making it very diluted and light in consistency, so it will the probability of dripping it is more. So try to do it with a thicker consistency. I'm just marking the flat colors on the different sections, and once they are pretty dry I'm going to give a little bit of texture or shades to it. See, the yellow base need to be dry before doing those grey parts. For this kind of work you need a round brush of number 4 or 6 so that you have a very clear outlining. Or if you don't want to use brush, you can take those CD markers and fine tip black pen for the same purpose. See, if I want to make that object to be a little permanent paint, you need to use it acrylic or enamel. Here I have used acrylic, but don't use poster color because those can be merged easily with water and they will easily wipe off. So just be a little more specific while selecting the color medium. And see, if I want to add a little bit of gradation or little tonal difference, then you can add and make that color more lighter by adding a little bit of white to it, or white to the same color. Suppose you want to make that gray lighter, just take a little white and just blend them, or roughly also you can do it. Just take out the color directly from the bottle and just blend them. So wherever you want little highlighted, suppose this forehead portion of that bird, you want a little more texture of the feather, you can just add a little bit blue and white together and then just apply them in a little rough and line texture. Now there are plenty of options for painting. This pebble painting or a paperweight is available there. If you have the pebble, it's fine, or if you don't have, there is one more alternative where you can create this by using the Shilpkar or M-Seal. You just mix the two components and just create them in a shape of a dough and stone, and just let it dry for 20 minutes and it will be already in a form of a pebble. So there are too many alternatives which you want to use, and just try it, and it's ready. Hope you have liked it and will definitely try. Thank you.